In this video, we'll create a simple .NET Web application. Let's get started. To write the code, you can use any text editor of your choice. You'll also need the .NET Runtime installed. We will use the Google Cloud Shell text editor to write our code. To get started, activate Cloud Shell. We create a new .NET project with .NET new web-o, name of the project. We're going to call it Hello World.NET. Once that is created, we want to open this new folder in Cloud Shell Editor. We can do that by running Cloud Shell ws for workspace, name of the project, Hello World.NET. Once the folder is open, you can open program.cs. We'll write our code in this file. In line 2, before we build our app, we'll add a few variables that we need. We'll create a variable called port, which will be equal to environment.getEnvironment variable, and you're going to try to get the environment variable port. If port is not set, we'll set port to 8080. Next, we'll set URL to http://0.0.0.0:port. Next, we'll create a variable called target, which we will set to environment.getEnvironment variable. Try to get the variable target, and if it's not set, we'll set target to world. We will update this hello world to say hello target instead. And we'll change this string into a variable string. Finally, we'll run app.run and run it on our URL that we provided. We can test our application by opening terminal, building our project with .NET publish-c release-o out, then running our application with .NET out/hello world.net.dll. Our application is running, and we can test it by opening a new terminal and running curl on http 0.0.0.0:8080. And we'll get back hello world. In the next video, we'll see how we can containerize a .NET application.